Oh, out hunting. The other day when I was coming back from Lichtenau, there were two cats hunting. Kitty cat, waiting for something. Probably a bird. Let me show the back of this house real quick. There. It's got a good sunny back, but not a lot of windows on the back, because it's an old house. Okay. Better go on, catch up, or get left behind. Sweet smelling grasses this morning. Definitely smells like farms. Oh, look how tiny.
Little red heads.
Uh-huh. What are those birds?
Went to that bird island and the lady told me one night I couldn't remember what they were called.
They're black with white heads?
Red heads.
No, I mean
Oh, the grown-ups?
the grown-ups have all black with white,
Yeah.
what do you call their mouths? Beaks, yeah. Well, these are visible from my camera. Oh, the babies are just tiny.
At first I thought it was like a little booby or something.
The parents are walking, it's so shallow, and the babies are swimming. Huh?
I think they're called coots.
Oh, that's cool. Coots. Heard of coots? What?
Baby coots. I just can't get a view through all this.
Seems like that was in Walden Pond, the coots.
Those are the loons.
Oh, loons.
Well, I don't know, maybe not. Maybe it was the coots.
Probably the loons.
I'm thinking of on Golden Pond.
Oh. Different ponds. Milmersdorf to Volkersdorf.
And this is where the beautiful garden is. Look at those yellow lilies. I want some yellow ones that are shorter like that.
So I should go down a little bit further and see the garden. Oh, it's still recording. Good. Oh, it looks like in the middle of the pond. Perfect spot if I don't run my bike off the road and into the pond. Oh, that is the nest. Look at all the babies in it. Can you zoom in?
Yeah.
And I have my little zoom camera. I'm going to get it out. And over there, the ducks walking off through the grass. Oh, it must be in the side pocket. Here, Laura, your hands are a lot steadier than mine. Over here's even more. It's even clearer. Stop. Stop?
Oh yeah, you got this.
Oh, look at the lamb's ears or whatever. Oh, with those pink, what do you call them? Oh, everything's so, peonies. Lettuce. This lettuce is a lot bigger than my lettuce. And onions. And I don't know, potatoes? So remember, there's a one blurry spot. It's not such a crazy idea to make your front yard be a garden. I love it. And their whole side yard is a garden. They just threw lettuce seeds out everywhere.
So where is the scratch spot?
Uh,
Right, left, top, bottom?
left, middle, top. Well, I'm glad we came here. We wouldn't have seen the babies.
You hear them?
What? Oh, yeah, just barely. I hear lots of things.
Those are frogs over there.
Oh, I thought that was ducks. Those are frogs. And I hear the, oh shoot, can't think. Doves, I guess.